Yeah. Well, Ali Muhammad. Or invoking blessings upon the Prophet, asking Allah to bless the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Saying the thing from Allahumma Salli ala Muhammad. Well, Allah bless Star and Catherine and my mother. She raised me when I was small, and my dad and grandma is still living. Ameen. Guide them to Islam through this dawah and through other dawah. They may be guided. Ameen. Bless Wondalove, Real Life, Shimtang, Lee Hyun, Marjorie, One. What was that other one? It's like we have to make dua by their username because I can't. I don't know all their real names yet. May Allah guide us to the hawk. Ameen. Or oh Allah, give us the hawk. That's what the Bangladesh guy said. I'll quote him. May Allah bless the Bangladesh guy. I mean, his name was Muhammad, but he was from Bangladesh. So may Allah bless him for teaching me some lessons when I was a new Muslim. I mean, or new revert. Now it's been like 11 years almost, so 10 and a half years, alhamdulillah. That's what kept me alive, was Islam. I wouldn't have made it this far without the Quran and getting serious into a real deen and a real religion, or else I wouldn't really be here right now making this video. So alhamdulillah, this is nice. And making dua for the models that are introducing by their name by making dua for them, so that's nice. Alhamdulillah.